So let's run the ReQue for all the 4 steps of generate, search, evaluate, and build, just given these 2 expander methods, the stemmer based on the trunk 5 and the Lovins stemmer. So again, it starts with the generate step. Given a query set, which is here the robust 04, tries to expand each query set, each query in the query set of the robust, and then it goes to the search step, which uses the information retrieval method such as BM25. In the command, it said that BM25, so it uses the answer ini to retrieve the relevant document given the expanded version of the query by BM25. These are the logs of the answer in the library in order to search the collection of the robust for each query based on the expanded version of the query for these stemmers. And then after that, it goes to the evaluate step, which uses the Trek eval library to evaluate the retrieved documents based on the golden relevance judgment. As you can see here, here is the Trek eval library. Given this is the relevant judgment, golden standard relevant judgment, and here is the query set, and the result based on the map goes to this file. So for each expander, we have the result of the map in these files. And one thing is that the abstract query expander, which is the identity expander, is the same map, it reproduces the same map as it is for the query set robust 04. So this is exactly as the query set and the map reported for the query set. So, and at the end, compares the map of each query for these 2 expanders and to the original map. It keeps those queries that increase the map. So let's see. Now the job is done, and let's see what is the output. So in order to see the output, so let's go to here is the the WinSCP, which is kind of Visual Explorer to the path we installed the ReQue. So the result gonna be in the DS for the robust data set. So the result of the QE robust, and these are the generated files. So each step produces its own log or file, but the last one is this one, the final data set. So let's open this. So as you can see here, for each query, we have the original query and the map of its original query and the number of expander methods that could increase this map and what is the increased map. For instance, for the first query, the original map was this, and given these 2 expander methods, the stemmer, Lovins stemmer, and the trunk stemmer, none of them could increase this map. However, let's see one of them that does. Yes, for this one, for this query, you can see that given this original query with this original map, the expander Lovins, the Lovins expander, which is a stemmer, could increase. So the number of expanded that could increase the performance is 1. And what is that expander? It is Lovins. And how much it increased the map? This amount. So it increased this original map to this amount. And this is the expanded version of the query. So this query becomes this and increase the map. So let's see, as you can see, because we only used limited number of expanders, 2, most of the queries are 0. Another sense is this. So you can see that for this query, the Lovins stemmer could increase the original map. Wow, that's great. So from 0.2, it increases to 0.3. based on just stemming the terms in the original query. So as I said, in the ReQue right now, we have 21 expander methods. So we report some statistics in the eval subfolder, even in our published paper in the CIKM conference 2020, that what are the percentage of models that we could increase the map. For instance, what are the average number of the expander method that could increase the original map, and which one are the best among all the available expanders. So in the next video, I'm going to explain how we can expand, how can we extend the ReQue platform to include new expander methods. Thank you.